order.
السلام عليكم، كيف الحال؟ شو الأخبار؟ البرتقال.
Kain tayo ng Adidas na adobo. Yan. Mabilis ang pagka-adobo at ginamitan ko ng pressure cooker dahil wala nang time. Tapos,
Kain tayo Nike. What is Adidas is Nike.
ang kanya pala ay Nike, ang akin lang ang Adidas.
Name Adidas?
May kanya ring alam. Tapos, bulang lang na puso ng saging na may mga okra-okra at saka patola. Malungkot ako kasi wala akong nakitang malunggay. Kain po, Ma'am Melissa. Kain tayo. Bismillah. Sarap ng gulay, honey.
Adidas?
No, the gulay, the vegetable.
Masarap sa Nike. You eating feet
Lambot.
of the chicken. Masarap feet of the chicken?
Too much masarap, honey. You try.
Ayaw. I will walk fast.
Ang lambot, parang jelly. Tunaw sa bibig eh. Ang lambot na to.
They said if you eat feet of the chicken, you will talk too much and you will walk fast.
I want to walk fast. Where is my water, honey?
There.
Can I have honey? Thank you.
That's why I'm not eating. I don't want to talk more because it's enough.
You are already talkative. Thank you so much, Ma'am Morena, sa 20 stars. Maraming salamat, Madam. Ma'am Gemma Dalisay Kapua. Kain na po.
I'll give you 20 stars.
Ma'am Joy kain. Napakalambot mga kaulam. Nadudurog, natutunaw na sa bibig. Oh, tinan nyo oh. Kahit di nanguyain.
Masarap sa Georgia. Oh, very hot.
Masarap ang gulay.
If you don't like to get sick, eat onion every day.
Sarap. Kung saan ang nahiwalay sa buto. Kung ang sarap ng tortang dulong. Meron pa
Eating beetroot?
I don't like honey.
Very nice.
Meron pa akong tortang dulong sa freezer. Bukas ko uulamin.
If you eat beetroot,
Ma'am Marlene Ortiz, kain po. Ma'am Erin Villapando. Mga kaulam, napa-extra lambot ang ating adobo. Sobrang lambot. Promise. Ma'am Lori Jane, Ma'am Gina Magundayaw Robles. Kain pa.
we should be enter with this visa when we apply, okay? We will inform them.
Ma'am Rosalinda kain.
Okay, no problem. So after tomorrow is Thursday, yeah? Okay. I thought Friday I will rest.
Ma'am Wilma, kain tayo Rosny Perono. Why?
Because not so much work now, so I have one work.
But you have to go?
Because tomorrow he will leave.
Who?
I should be applied one client.
Tomorrow is Friday?
Thursday. But I cannot
Hindi ko na alam kung anong
tomorrow.
araw. Elsa kain, Ma'am Vivian Adams kain po.
We have to apply outside.
Pinsan ako'y nabili ng puso ng saging na hindi mapait sa fish market doon sa, sa waterfront. Ako'y nakabili minsan dito sa grocery dito sa malapit sa amin. Mapait pa sa apalya. Hi, Jen! Nancy, kain na! Kain BFF!
Her name GFF?
Her name is Nancy.
I thought you said
No,
GFF.
when we say BFF, it means best friend forever, like that. Her name is not BFF.
Shortcut.
Yeah.
Albert is welcome EBBBF.
Shirley, kain na! Sobrang kalambot ng aking chicken feet, promise. Tingnan nyo, oh. Oh. Nahiwalay na sa buto.
Filipino, they like chicken feet. No?
Yeah. And Chinese also.
But they say you will talk too much if you eat chicken.
Why I will talk too much if I eat chicken feet?
Because the feet of the chicken. Chicken,
The feet is talking?
no, the chicken, the life of the chicken, too much talking. You will say,
Loiza.
quack, 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 quack.
Loiza Bukalkain ng Josie Verdejo. Ang iyong kuya ay di aring gulay na bulang lang na may puso tapos aring tira namin kahapon na pritong tanigi.
Tanige. Tanige sa Georgia.
At
At?
tanigi at gerger.
At? What is that? Grammar?
Yeah, it's grammar.
Hmm.
Ma'am Nora Dakoda, good morning. Napakalambot talaga naman ang ating paa ng manok.
You see people now talking too much about what?
About what?
Eating chicken.
Why?
Chicken is the...
Because chicken is noisy?
No. That's why who eating chicken more, he will talk too much.
Like me?
Hmm.
Ma'am Maria, kain po. Ma'am Maria Holloway. Rosemary Santos, good evening. Ma'am Elma Bin, good morning. Kain tayo. Annabel Gia, kain.
We eating chicken now, too much people around us talking too much.
Kala ko nakain ng marshmallow sa sobrang lambot ng ano. Uy! JR, thank you so much sa 100 stars. Ano yung JR there?
Thank you! Kamusta dyan?
Nanay, Nanita, kain po nanay.
Kain tayo! Ano balita
Ma'am
sa,
Margarita, uy, kain.
sa basketball court?
No, it's too much sun, too much rain.
It doesn't matter. Rain?
Hi, Nancy, naku ang inay. Simula umaga hindi ko makontak. Sabi ko siguro walang kuryente o kaya may bagyo. Yun pala, nasa pinsan namin, may namatay kaming pinsan.
If it's
Nandun sa,
typhoon
punta pala
come,
siya doon.
he will climb.
Ay, wow,
He
wow.
will scroll
Why?
to basketball court.
Why?
About the Habibi.
Yeah.
His heart making bumping. Bak, 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 bak.
Lagot ka kay JR.
It's okay.
Kinechismis mo si JR. Ang sarap ng gulay ko na puso. At saka papaya. At saka okra. At saka patola. Wala nga lang ang malunggay dahil.
Still typhoon? Typhoon, how many days is like?
Depends. Sometimes 1 day finish, sometimes 2 days. Now it's 3 days.
Hmm? For me, I don't have experience with typhoon.
Ma'am Virgie de la Cruz, you didn't experience in the Philippines. Never, yeah? Hindi niya na-experience sa Pilipinas ang bagyo.
So if it's the typhoon, what will do people? Stay in the house?
Of course, they cannot dance on the street.
Oh?
Yeah.
Oh, for me, I doesn't not scared from typhoon. Typhoon is my friend.
Ma'am Marilyn Masirag, Barrientos Cheng, good morning. May bagyo nga, mag-ingat kayo mga kaulam ha. Sa Pilipinas, mag-ingat kayo, mag-ingat.
If you walk in typhoon,
Grabe
what
ang
happen?
Quezon City, honey, in Manila. It's too much flood.
Oh?
Mm.
Why Quezon City too much flood? Because it's down?
Yeah.
The area maybe.
Not only Quezon City, the whole Manila.
But normal, if it's too much rain also, they are working people, yeah?
Malakas din ang ulan sa Batangas, Nancy. Kaso walang baha masyado sa Batangas kasi nga malapit kami sa dagat, napunta ang tubig. Ma'am Maika Manahan, good evening po. Ma'am Joy Aguilon, good evening. Linlin, good evening. Shoutout from Nueva Ecija. Kain po tayong lahat mga madam.
From Norway?
No, Norway. Nueva Ecija.
Where is that?
North.
In Philippines.
Near Bulacan, near Baguio.
Near Avari.
No.
You know Avari? Last part of Philippines?
Apari.
Avari. A-F-R-A-Y. Ayun? Avari.
Ma'am Charissa Orencia Cortan.
If you search about the Avari,
From
it's not-
Quezon City, naku mag-ingat po, napanood ko sa Quezon City, grabe ang baha. Ma'am Janet Rosales, good evening. Ma'am Marites, good evening, mag-ingat po doon sa mga anak ko, talaga ang dami na nanghihingi ng rescue. Kung pwede ko lang kayong i-rescue.
Rescue like that one, like the not Captain Barber, this. What his name?
Ba't kaya ari haling na haling kay Captain Barbell? Don't throw because Sarah will eat with the pumpkin and sabaw and rice.
Which one? This one?
Ma'am Gina Lagrisola, Ma'am Raquel Katapia, Ma'am Edinita Magbitang, good evening po from Hagonoy, Bulacan. Ma'am Marites Capricio, good evening. Naku, mag-ingat po doon sa may mga baha.
Richard Gonzalez, where is living? In Manila or?
Yeah. Honey, can you get me more of the chicken fish? Yeah?
I don't like to talk too much.
No, can you get me more of this? If you don't like to talk, can you get me more?
They said if somebody get it, he will talk more also.
Romel Rachel Milando, good evening. Ang sarap laan talaga mga kaulam ng puso ng saging, no? I need 3 more.
Still, you are cooking?
Can you off it, please? Because I don't want the soup.
This is not have oil?
No, I didn't put oil.
No, from the skin, I mean.
Yeah, but this is collagen, honey. Number 1 collagen.
Oh,
Mm.
that's why your bone is strong?
Nako, Shirley, masarap din yung ginisang balatong at saka daing. Ay! Arlene de Leon, kain. Mahen Leron Bulan, kain tayo. May kaklase kong Bulan, taga-Kalapan, Mindoro. Si Ronald Bulan.
What is rule today for washing?
Husband. No change because wife is very tired.
Tired about lying down in the bed?
I went in answer, honey.
That is 10 minutes. Cooking 15 minutes. Come back 15 minutes. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25.
Nakwento agad kung ilang oras ako
And
nagtrabaho.
half an hour, this all 1 hour. And lying down, when you're sitting in the bed, there for you the pillow, that is 200% of the sleep.
Brother of sleep.
The commode is there,
Yeah.
That is
No, I
sister of
I
sleep.
fold the kumot.
That you touch the commode. That is the cousin of sleep.
No, you will only wash this one, honey, because I will wash this one.
Alma.
Yeah.
And this one, what I will do? Leave it for Sarah?
And Maya.
They will not. Are you sure? It should be deep there. Remove the skin and blood.
And cover it.
If they didn't eat, the supervisor of the cat, he said, why you bring for us the bone? We like meat.
They are complaining now?
Tell your wife we need kingfish.
Tell them. 55 the kilo. Mahal din ang tanigi, mga kaulam. Salmon, tanigi, yun ang mga mahal din na isda. Tsaka, ang lapu-lapu din mga kaulam, napakamura laang. Ang mahal din na ipampano. Salmon, tanigi. Yan. Oy Nancy, bili na ikaw ng chicken feet at mag-adobo na. Good evening po, Cheryl Di Makulangan ng Janet Rosales. Bakit yung nabango sarap? Ma'am Bel, magpantay, kain tayo. Naglalagay ako ng star anise, kaso naubusan ako ng star anise. Naglalagay ako, tsaka bay leaves, yung laurel. Sarap. Richard, kain tayo. Ma'am Mari Digibalia, kain po. Marnie Shelo. Shout out po sa inyo, Ma'am Marnie Shelo. Indak, kain na indak. Anong sarap ng aking paan ng manok, anong lambot, para kung nangangayang marshmallow. Hindi na kailangan nguyain. Parang jelly. Ma'am Irma, ang kanang kain po, Ma'am Remedios Malata Celis. Ako naman, ang gusto ko lang sa laurel, pampabango. Mami Daisy, kain tayo. Tokayo, ang kaparespondan pangalam. Grabe, sarap ng ating gulay na puso ng saging. Tapos patola, syempre namiss natin ang patola. Mamayat Abante Montiero, kain po. Last piece. Napanood ko kagabi, mga kaulam. Mababa daw ang cholesterol ng paa ng manok. Mataas daw sa collagen. Kaya, sige. Lahat naman ng pagkain may cholesterol eh.
Who told you this have collagen?
All the doctors, honey.
What?
Honey, I am actually finished.
No, you are late already.
No.
Out of the circulation of the blood.
Sabi ko, tapos na ako. Pwede niya nang nalipitin ng aking pinggan. Late na raw ako, out of circulation na daw. Ano kaya yung out of circulation na iyon?
Circulation, that means when you move from the sitting of the heat when you move, you are not part of that.
Mhm.
Yes. Because finish already.
Rosales Romero Perfecto, good evening po. Ma'am Hermie Manata Rodriguez, good evening. Rika Mag-adja Manalo.